I'm Ben from the Cell Phone Broker in San Jose, California, and today I'm going to show you a little bit about Panasonic cell phones. Panasonic hasn't really been active in the cell phone industry in the past couple of years. I'd say about 3 years ago they were at their prime, but now they're kind of fading away and not coming out with new models. This is a Panasonic flip phone model. It has a camera. Pretty basic phone because it is a little bit older. It's very durable though. Panasonic phones, the batteries will die pretty easily, especially when they're older. So it's going to be pretty hard to replace these batteries. These aren't a generic battery. All of their batteries are specific to that type of phone. Panasonic also at one point had the smallest phone available. This is a Panasonic G55. It's got a very small keypad, very small screen, and very basic features. And once again, it also has the same issue with the battery power. Panasonic only made unlocked phones, which means that they were not available from any particular network, like T-Mobile or Sprint. They were only available on the GSM network, which is a limitless network where you just kind of purchase the phone from online or wherever you can get it, and just pop in your SIM card, and then it's ready to go. So I'm Ben from the Cell Phone Broker in San Jose, California. You can reach us on MySpace at myspace.com/cellphonebroker.